how to recover Snapchat account without phone number and email. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can recover your Snapchat account without phone number and email. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. Simply open up your web browser. Use any web browser that is convenient for you. And once you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll need to type in support.snapchat.com. As you type in the link, you'll be directed to the support center, and on this interface you need to slightly scroll down, and right in between you'll be able to see an option as contact us. Click on it. As you click on contact us, you'll redirect to the support center once again, and right on this page you'll need to submit a request. So first of all, you need to select the category or the help category that you want, since you're unable to recover your account. So click on I can't access my account. Now once again, you need to be more specific, so scroll down a bit and then click on I forgot my password. As you click on it, the page expands, and right at the bottom you'll be able to see an article on how you can recover your account. If you have the access of your contact information that you've provided on your Snapchat account, then you simply click on the link that is reset your password by email or phone number, and after that you'll be able to receive a recovery link. So for those of you who does not have an access of their contact information, so slightly scroll down and click on yes in order to expand it. Now you'll need to submit a report stating that you're unable to recover your account. First of all, you need to provide a username associated with your Snapchat account. So that you'll be asked to enter in the email address associated with your Snapchat account. If you don't remember the email address, then you can provide the email address through which they can contact you. So make sure that you've provided a valid email address. And for the phone number, you can do the same procedure. Provide any phone number through which they can contact you. Now for the description, you need to enter in a valid description so that they can look into your matter and recover your account as soon as possible. For the description, you can type in as much information as possible. After you're done typing in your report, you need to mark on this reCAPTCHA and then click on submit, which is right at the bottom. After you're done submitting the request page, you'll be receiving a notification stating that you'll be receiving a confirmation with your case number at the email address. Usually you have to wait for 24 hours, and after that you might be able to recover your account. So that way you can recover your Snapchat account without phone number and email. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below. Thank you for watching.